we're on the way to Connemara Park.
It looks like the woods that Edward ran through in Twilight.
Justin, tell the camera what very good news we have this morning.
This morning we had a house viewing with our lovely new friend Fanula. And the house was lovely. She was over the moon when we agreed to take it. She was actually shocked, in fact. She could not believe that we wanted it, which makes me a bit afraid that there's something terribly wrong with it, but we couldn't notice anything outright, so we're just really happy to finally be moving in together. It is so lovely.
We have arrived in Connemara National Park. That's Justin, and we picked a really nice day, so it's very lovely. And it's just Letterfrack town for now. That's a car. So we are having a little snack before the hike, and it's from the
Hungry Hiker
the
Cafe.
Hungry Hiker Cafe. The weather today is lovely, and they say that earlier this morning there was a little bit of snow. So
Yeah, it was snowing on the bus when we were coming up. Min's never really seen snow before. Yeah, get the soup, get the soup.
Yeah, that's
soup.
the vegetable soup.
I love soup.
That's the sausage roll, just little yum bits, and the juicy garlic bread. We also have 2 cappuccino. That should be on the way.
Cappuccino
And,
gang.
So nice.
So Min needs an Irish lesson because we're in the Gaelta and she doesn't know fucking any Irish except how to say I love you, Justin. She's a simp.
It's felt like cool.
Okay, that's good, but you can't be saying that to everyone here. Gur mahagat.
Again.
Gur.
Cur.
Gur.
Gur.
Ma.
Ma.
Agat.
Cor. Amaga.
Loves. Try saying gur.
Gur.
Like you're gurring. Gur. Ma.
Ma.
Agat.
Okay. Gur. Gur. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that all?
Yeah, that's thank you.
Gur. Okay.
Yeah. Gur ma.
Gur.
Perfect. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, hello. He's a little robin. Ah, he's lovely. Oh, he's gone. Oh, he knows he's being filmed. He's camera shy. Hello. Oh, sorry, no, he's an Irish bird. Diego. Diego. Aim. Bird.
Yeah. Blockbuster.
Oh, yummy tummy.
Master for blog.
They won't be even to tell that you're not from here. They'll think you're a native. It feels like you're in school and it's like the guy you have a crush on is like sat at the other table. And you're like, is he looking? Is he looking?
Side up. It's coming. Nice. Oh, we have very nice shot. Look at that shot. It's snowing. So I have my hair up ready for the hikes.
She looks so pretty. Look at all that beautiful face. Oh, he's so smooth. Oh my god, it's in your hair.
So in this museum we learn about boglands and the past and the futures and the use of it, and I think it's very cool.
Oh yeah, we're at the entrance. Oh fuck, it's gorgeous.
So we in the Connemara Park, and it's just so gorgeous. Do a sneeze. Do that again. Nice. We're just so lucky, and it's just so pretty. It's breathtaking, and we both say that we haven't been able to breathe this fresh air in so long, and it's so nice. This is the Diamond Hill, and then we're going
this is
to
the bog road. That's Diamond Hill up there.
Diamond Hill.
We're in the bogs.
Yeah, and then we're going to go up there, and so go all the way and all the way up there, and then come back down there.
My ancestors were probably born in this bog.
So this is the Tokar, and this is Bachland. That's what I learned.
You're learning so much about Irish history. Our robin friend has followed us from the restaurant.
So we're on the way to up a Diamond Hill, and it's so pretty.
We killed a man and buried him here.
No. So it's snowing as well. So nice.
Magical.
Magical as well. And to this direction as well.
It'd be cool if we could build a snowman on top.
We're almost there on the top. So apparently we get sheep as well. Sheep.
Did you know you can ride them down the mountain?
Yeah, they are our taxi driver.
Me and Minh have just cast a spell
Cast a spell
in a
magic
snow
ring.
ring circle.
For taking care of our spell.
And the snow is falling just over the mountaintops.
The snow touched my fingers.
That means the spell will come true.
Yay!
It's getting heavier and heavier, creeping in slowly, quietly and peacefully.
It's crazy, honey. I wouldn't imagine myself seeing snow on the top of the mountain. Okay. So pretty. Hey, taxi driver!
Oi!
Don't worry about it. Oi!
Oi, mate!
Scare him. Oh! Oh! cool. Oh my god, look at that! The more we get, we're almost there at the top, and we have like this big snow. Oh my gosh, so true. Look at my hands catching the nose. Snowflakes.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's crazy.
We should be careful going up as well.
I have 2 snowballs. This is the first time I throw snowballs. Watch me. It's going nowhere. Okay, this is more. I aimed that rock. I think it's hit.
Let's see. I can't tell, to be honest with you.
There we go.
Minh is disappearing into the snow like a yeti. Close. I think up here definitely is.
Yeah, the top. We're in the cloud. That's the cloud. And that's so cool. It's a little bit windy because of the snow. But you know, it's
This is the perfect snow. You don't really get this on the ground here because it's too wet down there. But we're in the clouds, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Extreme Snacks.
Now today our special chef, our very famous chef Justin and Minh, gonna cook on the top of Diamond Hill.
Nobody's ever had a Lunchable up here on Diamond Hill. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is get your cheese string, rip it out, nice like that, and then peel and stick it right in there. Make sure they see that at home. Stick it right in there.
Hang on, show.
Now, if you're a young child, make sure that if you're going to climb Diamond Hill, you bring an adult. Like Minh did. Okay, and once our cheese string is up into equal parts, and in our wrap, we get our ham. We space our ham evenly out. Like that. We have 4 slices of ham. Perfect. And finally, the special ingredient, the mystery sauce. Open up our mystery sauce packet, and we do a little squirt, squirt, and then one more. Squirt, squirt.
Spread it.
Are you telling me how to cook?
Sorry, chef.
And finally,
My chef got offended.
we close it. And we're ready to eat.
Okay, take a bite. The coolest kid up here.
This has been another episode of Extreme Snacks.
It's gone down from that mountain up there. That mountain up there all the way down here, and we was walking down in the snowstorm. and yeah, so blessed. Okay, this is us. This is us now. My hair was cold and nice. It's actually a little bit now.
We got a bit snowed on.
When Justin was
did
up
everything.
of the top of the mountain, all his hair strands like up, going up like this.
I looked
so funny.
a bit fucking crazy. But take a look at the mountain, the scenicness, the snow. It is everywhere. Minh has not experienced snow like this ever. So it's a first for her, and what a fucking first, I must say. Don't fall on video, honey. It'll be embarrassing.
Justin did fall on his
Shut up! You weren't supposed to tell them. Stop!
He was walking down the mountain hill, seeing the sunset, and it's just so gorgeous. The sunset. We already went down and we were up there. It's crazy the way it was.
For scale, this is me. Up there.
Oh, this is so fun.
The sun is setting.
Worth it. We're waiting for the bus, which is 45 minutes late.
It's gonna be an hour late. We're gonna get home an hour later than we wanted to.
Not so happy about that.
We're both cold. Our joints are. I fell on my butt, as Minh stated earlier. Thank you.
Planned when we get home, we can go to a night's in Dins. Now we're afraid that this will be closed.
Yeah, now our din-dins are gonna consist of a Tesco pizza.
If we're lucky.
If we're lucky. He is nearly here.
We got on the bus home and we are eating at Harry's. I have fried chicken with buffalo sauce. That my baby sells a salad. Got the classic nacho. Got dirty fries and that Justin's hamburger. And he's so hungry. He really wants to eat right now.
So hungry. If this food didn't come out any sooner, I would have eaten it.
Hello guys, so this is our new place and we are very excited. And we have just finished settling in and we built the desk in the cupboard and everything and we're very excited for this new adventure together.
Thank you, Fanula, for accepting us. That was really nice of you, I think.
If you don't know, finding a place to live in Ireland, Galway is like crazy.
It's horrible.
Even if you have money, it's not secure for you that you have a place.
And even a nice place, you're fucked.
Mm-hmm.
So we're incredibly lucky. I feel incredibly lucky, especially to be able to live with Minh.
Yeah, I'm here and then we live in the heart of town as well. So we're very happy for this new place. We have boba tea now because today is the second day of Lunar New Year, so we're just celebrating a little bit. So thank you for watching and see you soon. Cheers!
Bye. Cheers.